JDF captain retires amidst pathways controversy.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Captain Omaine Morgan, who has been linked to the controversial Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries, is no longer a member of the Jamaica Defence Force. According to Nationwide News Network, the Defence Board has granted approval for Captain Morgan to retire his commission in the JDF. JDF spokesman Lieutenant Nathan Curtis confirmed the captain's retirement, which became effective on October 27th. Morgan's retirement comes as there is speculation in the public domain that a senior JDF member had driven Smith to the Pathways Ministry branch on Albion Road in St. James on the now infamous Sunday night. The JDF captain, dressed in his force-issued uniform, had reportedly driven the controversial religious leader from his Coral Gardens home to the Pathways Church on the night of the deadly ritual. A uniformed police officer also traveled in the pastor's BMW X6 motor vehicle. Photographs recently emerged of Morgan in the presence of the late Pathways leader Kevin Smith. Meanwhile, Morgan's LinkedIn profile describes him as an experienced military officer with a demonstrated history of positivity impacting the lives of over 2,000 civilians in their transformation into military life. He is said to be skilled in professional training program design and training management, in addition to systematic operational planning and military operations. He is also said to have had years of experience in manpower management, along with disaster and security risk management and state protocols. Morgan is also a professional orator and voice actor. The Jamaica Defence Force also disclosed that there's an investigation into Captain Morgan. In a statement, the JDF says it continues to give support to the authorities in respect to what the Defence Force says are investigations that involve the ex-officer. The JDF also added that further media queries into the investigation should be directed to the police.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!